So here we have got the first dimension tolerance. Next dimension tolerance is mentioned here 32. Again, this is a unilateral tolerance with a deviation allowed in the negative side. So I will select this dimension, right click, then properties. So here I will select 0 for the upper value, and for the negative value I will select minus 0.12. So apply, then OK. Next we have this dimension 20.120. So again I will select this dimension, properties. In the same manner आप remaining dimension tolerances को place कर सकते हैं. So here I will select the value of 0.12. Apply, then OK. Then again here we have this last dimension to be toleranced, that is 37.5 plus minus 0.5. So for that we can give this dimension here, vertical dimension. Okay, I have already that dimension. So I will select this dimension, right click, properties. So here I will input it as 0.5 plus, and for the lower value I will mention as minus 0.5. Then apply, and then OK. So now we are done with the dimension tolerance. Next, in the drawing we can see here that this text diameter 6 has been written like this: 3 holes, diameter 6. What is the need of it? Instead of writing the text or dimension for all the holes individually, we can represent the information of these 3 holes by a single note. So to include a text before a dimension, we have to select that dimension, then go to properties, and here first we have to change the format of dimension line. So in dimension line we have to select this format, 2 parts, apply. Now you can see here the display of the dimension line is changed. Finally, to add the text we have to go here to dimension text, and in dimension text here we can write the prefix text. So here I will write 3 holes, and then apply, and then OK. So in this manner ये यहाँ पर create हो जाता है. आप इसको ऐसा manually set भी कर सकते हैं text को. Next we have to input the geometrical tolerances. So what are geometrical tolerances? Geometrical tolerances are the tolerances which represent the deviation in terms of shape while manufacturing a part. Now geometrical tolerance symbols are many. So for this particular session we will discuss a few and understand their interpretations. Now the first geometrical tolerance is this. So what is the meaning of this symbol? This symbol represents the geometric tolerance of circularity or roundness. The meaning of this symbol is when this particular circular profile or cross section is manufactured, then there is a deviation of 0.2 from the ideal shape of a circle. Means जब ये जॉब मैन्युफैक्चर होगा तो ये क्रॉस सेक्शन परफेक्ट सर्कल ना होते हुए 0.2 mm से डेविएट होगा from the shape of a ideal circle. So for giving the geometrical tolerance, here in dimension toolbar we have an option of geometrical tolerance. So here I will go to geometrical tolerance, I will select this edge and then I will select the symbol. So I have to select the circularity, so I will select circularity and here I have to mention the value, that is 0.2, then OK. So this is the symbol of circularity. Next I have to mention the geometrical tolerance related to straightness. Now the straightness is mentioned for this particular edge, meaning when this job is manufactured, this edge will not be a perfect straight line, but it will be deviated in terms of 0.02. So to mention that geometrical tolerance, again I will go to geometrical tolerance. I will select this particular edge. Now this particular tolerance has to be mentioned in a different format, not in a single arrow format. For that we can select the shift button and click here, and then here I can select the option of straightness and the value is mentioned as 0.02. So here I will select the option of 0.02 and then OK. Suppose you want to edit the properties of this particular geometrical tolerance symbol, what you can do, just select that symbol, right click and then you can go to properties, and in properties आप यहाँ से इसके अलग अलग fonts, text ये edit कर सकते हैं. So in this manner we can also customize the position of the symbol. Suppose I want this horizontal to vertical, then if I click on apply, then it will come up like this. So in this manner we can modify the symbols of the geometrical tolerances placed. Next, for mentioning the other geometrical tolerances, we have to specify a datum. For example, here we have been mentioned a geometrical tolerance of parallelism. This is a symbol of parallelism with respect to datum A. Now datum A ये edge है. So कहने का मतलब है ये particular edge due to limitation of the manufacturing in terms of being perfect parallel to this reference edge 0.05 से deviate होगी, means it will be a simply inclined, not a perfect parallel with respect to this particular edge. Now always remember, हर एक geometrical tolerance में it is not necessary to mention the datum symbol. For example, the geometrical tolerances of form like flatness, straightness, cylindricity, circularity, they don't need a datum feature, but rest all the geometric symbols they require a reference datum feature. So if we are designating this particular edge as datum A, meaning that this edge is perfectly straight after getting machined. So by taking the reference of this particular edge, we can designate the geometrical tolerances for other features. So here I will go to datum feature first. I will select this edge and then place the symbol here. You can also edit the name of this datum feature if you want. Then for placing the geometrical tolerance, again I will go here to geometrical tolerance. I will select this particular edge and place the symbol here. So here I will take parallelism. So here I will input the value, that is 0.05. Now here, as we can see, we have a extra option to place the datum. So here I will take it as A. So okay. अगेन यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं ये टॉलरेंस की लाइन और डायमेंशन